Hello guys, welcome. Welcome to another interesting episode of Plants and Life YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about a very common problem of hibiscus plant. So many people told me that their hibiscus plant's leaves become faded or yellowish. It is a common problem but happened by several reasons. The first of all, underwatering or overwatering is causing this problem. Sometimes it's because of potassium deficiency or nitrogen deficiency or magnesium deficiency or iron deficiency. But many times we cannot detect the exact problem. For that I am telling you, use mixed fertilizer. But during iron deficiency you can understand it properly. That time plants leaves become colorless and whitish. So look at my plants, it's not iron deficiency. If you fertilize your plants in regular basis, no problem will occur. But due to some renovation work in my home and my exam, I was not able to fertilize all my plants properly. But nothing to worry guys, it will be alright in some weeks. But before showing the fertilizer mix, you all are requested to do subscribe our channel if you have not yet done. So for this I am here using 1 cup of vermicompost, 1/3 cup of neem cake fertilizer and 1 tablespoon of potash. You can use oil decomposed banana peel fertilizer instead of potash. Never use any fertilizer in complete dried soil. Keep the soil little moist before fertilizing. If your plant's leaves veins become so evident in yellowish leaves, then use magnesium sulfate or Epsom salt 1 teaspoon in this mix, because it will be magnesium deficiency. Now put this all around your plants and plug the soil very well. After using this, water the plant thoroughly and use any kind of micronutrients fertilizer after 7 days of it. You can use mustard cake fertilizer in liquid form instead of micronutrients. If you don't know how to make mustard cake liquid fertilizer, I have a video on that topic. I will give the link of that in the description. So this is the update after 40 days later. Over a month I used fertilizer in regular basis after using this fertilizer mix. In another episode I will discuss about special care or fertilizer to use in hibiscus to get more flowers and sound health of plants. But now I am just telling you one thing: use mustard cake liquid fertilizer in every 15 days. You can use cow dung liquid fertilizer instead of mustard cake liquid fertilizer, but I recommend to use mustard cake because that's better. I will add the video link of how to make cow dung liquid fertilizer and mustard cake liquid fertilizer in the description. You can check it out. So guys, that's all for today. Like, share and comment if you have enjoyed. So guys, goodbye, see you in next video.